Only a few entrepreneurs have had such an impact on the business landscape as Jeff Bezos, known to the world as the founder and CEO of Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce store. Bezos has been persistent in his pursuit of developing the most successful customer-centered enterprise in modern history, regarded as one of the most influential business leaders of his generation. He has played an integral role in taking Amazon to where it is now as nearly $1.7 trillion market value. Here we take a look at 6 lessons every entrepreneur can learn from a visionary like Jeff Bezos. Let's just go and know those. Use regret minimization. Bezos used the regret minimization framework, a mental exercise when he was planning to move across the country and launch an online bookstore. The idea is simple here. It is to think about turning old and looking back at life. Bezos once explained, "I want to have minimized the number of regrets I have." He added, "I knew that when I was 80, I was not going to regret having tried this. I was not going to regret trying to participate in this thing called the internet that I thought was going to be really big deal." Be customer focused. Most companies today consider this as the most important factor for business success, but Bezos truly incorporated it into his business. He once said, "The secret sauce of Amazon, there are several principles at Amazon, but the number one thing that has made us successful by far is obsessive, compulsive focus on the customer." It should be noted here that he was merely talking about developing a company that offered customers good service. He wanted to create a company that customers heavily relied on and couldn't live without. Bezos wrote in a letter to shareholders that from the beginning our focus has been on offering our customers compelling value. He wrote, "We don't do PowerPoint presentations at Amazon. Instead, we write narratively structured 6-page memos. We silently read one at the beginning of each meeting in a kind of study hall." According to Bezos, this way of doing things gave a better picture of the strategy, and the team was able to understand how the strategy would influence customers' first interaction with the product. Fear customers, not competitors. Never fear competitors, as they are not the ones who are going to spend money. Bezos once told his team, "Be afraid of our customers because those are the folks who have the money." In simple words, it means that you focus your energy on core areas that matter. Set long-term goals. Back in 1997, Amazon wasn't that huge as it is now. It catered to nearly 1.5 million users. Bezos' letter to shareholders that year clearly stated that he didn't care about the company's quarterly earnings. This attitude stayed close to the company's beliefs for years. Bezos wrote, "We believe that a fundamental measure of our success will be the shareholder value we create over the long term." He added, "This value will be a direct result of our ability to extend and solidify our current market leadership position." The same could be seen during the launch of Amazon Prime when Bezos wrote, "We want Prime to be such a good value that you would be irresponsible not to be a member." Amazon reinvested a majority of everything that it earned back into the business, always favoring long-term growth over short-term profits. Guard your culture. Everyone is aware of Amazon's work culture. It has never been a secret. There are numerous stories about the long working hours, fierce competition, and a work culture that challenges an employee's limits. But at the same time, Amazon continues to be the go-to company for many job aspirants. Amazon has for years built an image that it aims to offer services that have the potential to have a tremendous impact on the world. In 2016, Bezos wrote to investors, "We never claim that our approach is the right one, just that it's ours. And over the last 2 decades, we have collected a large group of like-minded people." Over the years, Amazon has faced criticism for its fierce work culture, to which Bezos has responded by saying that the company's culture is created slowly over by the people and by events, by the stories of past success failure that become a deep part of the company lore. The best thing to learn from this is that it's crucial to identify your own culture and stick to it because that works best for you. So if you got value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go.